Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Payday 3 game not launching or not opening, stuck on loading screen or not loading error on PC. So let's find the solutions. The very first method is to restart our PC. This is an important step, don't miss it out. Click on the Windows icon. After that, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart our PC. Once your PC restarts, log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, type -d3d11 and now check whether the game is launching or not. If the issue still continues, come back again, type -windowed and then check whether the game is opening or not. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here, you have to select the game exe file, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check whether the game is launching or not. If not, come back again. Now you have to select run this program in compatibility mode for and select Windows 8. Hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check whether it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option. Now search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, here select the game application, make sure both private and public boxes ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, now launch the game and check whether it's working now. If not, next is to rename the config folder. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type %local app data % and then press OK. From here, you have to search for the Payday 3 folder and open it. After that, you have to go to the saved folder, then open config folder. Here you have to rename the folder, and once you rename the folder, now launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If the issue continues, move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on properties. After that, click on driver option, and then here you have to click on update driver option, then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, try to launch the game and check if it's working now. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. After the link opens, here you will get the details of your graphics card. You have to select it or enter it manually, whatever the graphics card you have. After that, click on find option, and after that you will get the details of that particular graphics card you have entered. From here you have to select it, click on the view option, and every details will be available over here. You have to click on download option, and after you have downloaded your graphics card, update your graphics card, and after that try to log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to update Windows. Make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, you have to go to the search option. Here you have to search for settings. Now click on Windows update option. Click on check for updates. This will check and update your Windows to the latest version. And once done, launch the game and check. Next is to close background apps. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for task manager. Now here under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background. You have to select it and have to close it. So select the game, select the application, right click on it, click on end task. This will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to log into the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just have to copy and paste it in a browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download. And once you download Visual C++ files, you have to open it. Here you will get repair or install option. Click on it. Click on yes. And after this is finished, you have to close this. Now restart your PC and again log into the game and then click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not. If not, next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search for graphics settings. Here you have to first add your game. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance. And once done, launch the game and check whether the game is opening or not. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general here, you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now try to launch the game and check whether it's working. If not, next is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings. Click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Select the drive where a game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size, you have to type 24576. After that, click on set and then click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall and again click on uninstall option. Doing this will remove and delete the game from your PC finally. After that, you have to restart your system. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After your PC restarts, you have to launch Steam, log into it and finally reinstall Payday 3 game. And once it is reinstalled, you have to check whether the game is launching or opening or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.